What's going on, people? It's another beautiful day in LA, man. I am out here. Look, y'all been telling me I need to get some vegan food in my life, man. My boy Brandon, look at him over here, pink sweater and everything, told me I got to try Vegan AF. This is the woman behind the magic right here.
Hi.
What's going on? Say what's up to the people.
Hi.
Okay.
Nice to meet you. My name is Chanel.
Yes, ma'am. Hey, we need to know if your stuff is certified or not. You know what I mean?
It's certified.
And it's 100% vegan.
It's 100% vegan. It's 100% plant-based.
Yeah.
We are the best vegan food in LA.
The best. That's a strong statement, all right? Okay, so when somebody tries Vegan AF, what they gotta try?
Our Philly roll for sure.
Yeah.
Our cheeseburger roll.
Yeah.
And our pizza roll. We're the only place that specializes in loaded vegan egg rolls.
And ain't no meat.
Ain't no meat.
Zero meat.
Zero meat.
All right now. All right, come on, take me back to the kitchen, man. You know, so what, y'all do pop-ups and stuff or what?
We do pop-ups, but we're normally a food truck. So we're normally a food truck.
Yeah.
We do pop-ups and things like that.
Yeah.
So right now we're making a cheeseburger roll. And
Okay.
roll.
My man going in back here, you know, stepping it up with the vegans, you know what I mean? Okay, so wait, whoa, time out. What made you want to open up your own spot anyway?
So, from Chicago, came to LA to kind of bring like a Chicago street food culture to LA. Because I felt like LA was missing something, and we wanted to do something that was different from burgers, tacos, and typical things that you get.
Yeah.
So that's why we did loaded vegan egg rolls.
Okay, and how long you been open?
Almost 3 years now.
3 years. So
this is
she been on the grind. She been on the grind for 3 years
Got
right
voted
now.
best food truck in America.
Okay, talk your stuff.
Got listed on top picks to eat in LA for the whole year.
The whole year.
First open.
Okay, so look,
done a lot.
I got a lot of people that watch my channel that want to have their own food business and do all this and that. And you know, this is kind of that step before you get a restaurant. So any advice to people who want to do what you do?
You gotta really think about branding. It's more important than making sure your food tastes good, right? Your branding, your marketing gotta be on point. And then of course you gotta have good food.
Yeah.
And then you gotta be dedicated. This industry is not for the weak.
Okay, that's everybody answer. This is not for the weak. This is not for the faint of heart. But look, I'm hungry. I'm trying to give me something to eat. I done elbowed her in the stomach right there. We're gonna see what y'all got going on. So wait, what you making for me right now?
So we got a pizza
Look at this,
roll.
man. Get in there.
We got a pizza roll that we're making and a cheeseburger roll.
Wow. And look, she loaded up with this vegan meat right here. Look at that. God, no, that look like actual meat. Hold on, well, this might be Venus health ground approved. I don't know.
I'm nervous if you can't tell.
No, you good. You doing so good.
Thank you.
I'm not good at the music, but you doing so good.
Yes. Okay.
All right, so if you could explain the process of what he's doing right now.
So right now, these are not normal egg rolls.
Yeah.
They're pretty much like the size of a burrito.
Yeah.
We got some in the fryer right now.
Sheesh, that is huge.
Yeah, so they're about the size of an average burrito.
Oh my God.
So pretty filling. So we just make sure to double roll them so you can get that extra crunch and make sure that it's like well put together because we don't want nothing falling out.
Yeah. So how much one of these run you?
They're 20.
20 bucks per roll?
Per roll. Yeah. A box cut.
Let me see that cross section. Look, I'm gonna say what the folks thinking, cause you know what I mean, 20 bucks per egg roll, this mother better slap. I'm telling you now, this mother better go to the moon, my boy.
Yeah.
This cheeseburger right here. The wild sauce. Okay, I like sauce. Y'all know I'm a sauce kind of guy. Y'all heard what she said. Brandon on point. Brandon on point with it, the pink and everything. Hold on. Vegan AF. How'd you come up with the name?
Well, I've been vegan for like 12 years.
Yeah.
And people always always asked me if I was vegan. I used to say like, oh no, I'm vegan as fuck. So it was like something that I said.
Yeah.
And I wanted it to be kind of catchy and bold and funny.
Okay.
So that's how I came up with it.
Okay, so man, what's up? You saw I got the cheeseburger right here, right? What's in the cheeseburger? Look at that. It look crazy with it. I will say that. What's inside of it?
So we got meat, pickles, cheddar cheese, onions.
Yeah.
Everything that goes into a normal burger, but
meat,
an egg
pickles,
roll.
cheddar cheese, onions, a little bit of saucy sauce. Yes, sir. Now let me see what you're talking about. Now I hope this tastes as good as it look, dog. That ain't no vegan right there. That can't be vegan, dog. That's meat. That's meat, dog. Come on, man. The cheese vegan too?
The cheese vegan, everything vegan.
I ain't never had no good vegan
fuck.
cheese. I will say that. I ain't never had no good vegan cheese. The onion. It do taste like a cheeseburger. I will say that. Hold on. Oh my God. Am I getting the sweetness from the onions or like what? Where's the sweetness coming from?
Like a little bit of onion.
From the caramelized onion, you know, you're a real chef.
Okay.
No, for real though, like it all works well together, man. She put plenty of filling in there.
And then Brandon,
The cheese go crazy, the onions bring it all together. And they don't taste like too pickly, like a lot of like cheeseburger stuff do. Is this better than the Philly cheesesteak?
That's our top seller. So
This the number one.
Yeah.
Number one, through the roof.
Number one.
And what kind of sauce is this?
Sweet chili.
This is a sweet chili sauce on the Philly egg roll. Oh yes, sir. Woo. Oh my God. Did it work? It's that way. Which one my favorite? Yo, buddy saying you ain't done, dog. Hold on. I think I like this sauce on the cheeseburger roll. You know, the sweet sauce on the cheeseburger. I think the cheeseburger had more cheese in it or something. Yeah, I like the cheesiness of the cheeseburger one. But they got Philly rolls, burger rolls, pizza rolls, goddamn Totino's. Was it marinara?
Yeah, marinara.
Okay. Man. Hey, I love the plethora of sauce options that you guys have, by the way. I love that. That tastes like pizza. It actually tastes like pizza. You got pepperonis in here? Vegan pepperonis? It sounds like you got pepperonis or something in there. Looks like an Italian.
It's like our own plant-based meat.
A plant-based Italian sausage situation. My brain is just messed up right now. I don't know what to think. You know what I mean? I feel like I'm being bamboozled. So come here. Oh, ramen, you know.
Yeah, that's my personal favorite.
That's
the owner, yeah.
That's fine. It tastes like a pizza roll, like a Totino's pizza roll. So, what's the benefit of subbing out your meat with this kind of meat and stuff like that?
What do you mean, like selling out, like?
Like, what's the benefit of like going vegan like this? You know what I mean?
Well, honestly, we just want to promote like a different type of vegan food, right? Because when you think of street food, you don't really think of a vegan element to it. So we really wanted to bring a vegan element to a street food culture, but bringing a Chicago element to it.
So, is it a thing of like being healthy, or is it a thing of like just not wanting to eat animals?
It's a thing of just not wanting to eat animals, right?
Oh, I see.
And really helping to like change your narrative of what you think vegan food should be.
Right. Be careful not to hit that mic.
Okay, because you really wouldn't think to eat anything like that.
Right. I think a lot of times there's a lot of, I know, it's windy out here today. But look, I think a lot of times people get the misconception that like being vegan means everybody trying to be like crazy healthy with it, but people got different reasons for not wanting to eat animals or eat meat and all that kind of stuff, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. No,
So
that's dope.
we're just helping change that narrative and giving you a new type of vegan food that's innovative, different. You can't get this anywhere else.
Yeah.
Honestly, we're the only vegan country in the world that specializes in like loaded egg roll options.
Wow, in the world.
In the world. Right.
Hey, look at Brandon over there. Look at Brandon. What is talking about, me, dog? What do you know?
And that's why I'm vegan.
Be real with him.
That's why I'm
You vegan, right?
Yeah, I'm vegan.
He vegan too. I'm vegan for the day. I'm an honorary vegan for the day. You know what I mean? Where can the people find you at? If they want some vegan egg rolls, where can they find you at?
So we are a food truck. So we're actually building a new truck right now.
Oh, you got a truck?
So you can find us downtown, in Hollywood. We're everywhere. Always check our Instagram, which is Vegan AF Food Truck.
All right, you know, I know, cuz always every time, but I think if I gotta rank these, I'm going pizza one of my number one now.
Pizza was number one.
Pizza number one.
Period.
I'm going cheeseburger number two, Philly number three. Man, if y'all get a chance, come check this lady out wherever she at. Instagram, TikTok,
You gotta
whatever.
try the lemonade too.
You got lemonade?
Yeah, you got the lemonade.
Said before you go, I know you're parched. Y'all know I don't be drinking nothing.
So
There's
this
nothing
is
wrong.
a napkin. Where are the napkins?
Yo, I don't know where we at right now at the park, but Buddy's going crazy over there in them drums.
1 second.
Yo,
Thank you.
hey, okay, hey, okay. Vegan AL, man, that might make you know. I gotta think of that.
So this lemonade, it's a lavender lemonade. It's called the Bougie as Fuck Lemonade, right?
Okay.
No sugars in there.
No sugar, ain't no sugar in here.
No
No
sugar.
added sugar.
No sugar.
No sugar.
No.
0 grams of sugar.
No, there's no sugar. It's agave in it. Yeah. The lime, you can move it.
You lying.
Ain't no sugar
You
in
lying.
there.
She lying. You gotta square up with me right now. I don't take this kind of disrespect over here. Ain't no sugar in this.
No.
What make it sweet?
So we use agave. So we call it the Bougie as Fuck Lemonade. I actually grow the lavender, extract it out, and put it in there and put agave.
There's so many flavors going on in my mouth right now. It's like I do taste the lavender. It tastes like fruity, very floral, but still fresh.
Yeah.
It tastes like you got a little bit of honey in there, maybe.
Agave.
Okay. She's like, God dang, I told you what it's in there.
No honey.
They say you better get my recipe correct. Don't be out here telling us the wrong thing. Agave. Okay, you know.
Because we're vegan over here, right?
Yeah.
We don't use honey.
Oh yeah, cause bees make honey.
Exactly.
Cause bees make honey. I got it. Hold on, he over here talking. You gotta try this, dog.
Got the pizza rolls. God dang it.
It tastes like a pizza roll, doesn't it?
That's not vegan.
Tastes like what it tastes like.
That's Torstinos. That's not vegan, bro. Oh no, like actually this is good.
The vegan pizza roll situation, that's definitely number one, dog. You could freeze that up and sell it in goddamn Costco or something, man. Hey, if y'all get a chance, try this lady out. Do your thing. Support these businesses, man. Let me know where I should go next. Anything you want to leave with the people.
Just follow us on Instagram for our location. We do tours worldwide.
Worldwide.
Literally, we do tours in London, Ghana, Canada. We're
Y'all
all
be
the way-
selling vegan stuff in goddamn London.
Yes. So
Let
we
me
do
hear your
tours
best. Let me hear your
everywhere.
best London accent.
Oh my God! Don't put me on blast. No, I don't want to disrespect the British, okay? But follow us on Instagram. We be everywhere. Seriously, new cities, countries, all.
Wow. Okay. You heard the lady, man. Get that vegan egg roll. Vegan egg. Oh.